they always see it's very popular. They ask you for appearance. You see, what is this? Aluminium sulfate, isn't it? So sodium carbonate. So what is the appearance of sodium carbonate? See, sodium, non-transition elements. Non-transition elements in solid form, white in color. Yes, sure, June. I will share to them. I will share later. Okay, so you see, then you add hydrochloric acid. What is the observation? You see, acid. This is metal carbonate. Okay, good, well done, Eldon. Yeah, you see, produce carbon dioxide. So what is the observation when carbon dioxide gas is produced? Effervescent. Okay, gas produced for tested 3 marks. What? So you test with lime water. And lime water, it turns cloudy. So the gas produced carbon dioxide. Okay, flame test. That's sodium, isn't it? So if there's sodium, so what's the color of the flame? Yellow in color. So next one, you see, test with silver, it produced white precipitate. Which one? What do you mean white precipitate? Yeah, effervescent 1 mark, lime water 1 mark, cloudy 1 mark. So this is how you get 3 marks. Okay, see, test with silver, form white precipitate, which means it indicates the presence of chloride, isn't it? That's the reason why it formed white precipitate. Okay, so next one you see, the second portions of solution U, it was added to the second portions of solution W. Okay, excess hydrochloric acid was then added to the mixture. You see, first it formed white precipitate ions. Okay, see silver, whenever we see the word silver 100%, they are testing for chloride, halide ions. You see, white precipitate, isn't it? Indicates the presence of Cl negative. So what is solid O? Potassium chloride. Okay, pretty easy. So you can get all the answer from the diagrams I'll show you to you just now. Okay, please make sure that you remember all the cation ion and anion tests. It is 100% coming out, 100% confirmed coming out. Okay, if you can remember the diagrams for N ion test, isn't it? You can easily solve this. All right.